Hello to all. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Yogita. Welcome you to the learning session. Subject is psychiatric nursing, and today we are going to study about juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency means wrongly doing by the young child. Any criminal activities, yeah, antisocial activities which is done by the young children. If you see from the point of law, like the child who is under the age of 16 years, a delinquent person is juvenile delinquent person is a child under the age of 16 years in case of boys, and in case of girls it is the age of 18 years. Now let us see what is the etiology, what's the causes that the particular child will be a delinquent, juvenile delinquent. Defects in the family, like there is no good love and affection in the family, broken families, there is no parental care, parent attitude is very bad towards the child, rejected child in the family, and depression in the family relationship, keep on changing the parental figure, divorce, marital conflicts where the parents are don't find a time to provide love and care to their child. And defect in the school, like in a school the child may be a slow learner, or a child is very poor in academics, or else a very hard punishment is given by the teachers. Because of that also there is a chance that child may be a juvenile delinquent, may commit some activity which is antisocially a criminal. Like, okay, maybe in the school child is punished very badly. When the child get angry, child may attack on a teacher, try to make an attempt, murder attempt to the teacher. So such activities can committed by a very young child. Psychological factors, when we see that a child is rejected child in the family, belongs to a low socio-economic status, maybe born in a family where family have antisocial, criminal backgrounds, living in the slum areas, prostitutions, these all matters may cause that child will be a delinquent child, juvenile delinquent, so that these very young children may commit criminal activities. Now how we can manage, it's very important how do we manage the children. Here reformatory measures are really helpful. We can say probation, so such children kept under probation officers. Now the responsibility of probation officer is to establish a very good life to these children, establishment of very good life to such children. Next is institution, like remand home, yeah, certified schools will provide a good education to the child, so that child also can acquire a good life. Apart from that, we can give a play therapy so that we can reduce the aggressiveness in the children, provide behavioral therapy to modify the behavioral pattern, required counseling and guidance can be given, as well as very important to provide some assurance to the family also, because family also play a very important role to mold the behavior of a children. Okay, so this is how we can manage the child with juvenile delinquent. Juvenile delinquent is a child, nothing but that a very young child under the age of 16 years doing something wrong, committing a criminal activity. It is a very small topic, and definitely you can expect 2 marks questions like what do you mean by juvenile delinquency, and I hope you are able to answer to that now. So if any doubt or anything, you can leave in your comment box. Keep watching. I'll meet you again in some other videos with some other new topics. Thank you.